We would like to deal with the implementation of remote configuration, that is Firebase remote configuration in your Flutter application. So what is a remote configuration and why do we require? So with the help of a remote configuration implementation in your application, you can easily make changes in your app without any new release. For example, you have implemented few features in your application and you want to turn them on and off. So you need not make a new release for the same. So you can just log into your Firebase console and there you can turn on and off your features. It is not only helpful in features handling, but also you can control the text, images and whatever the things within your application without any release. So here you have got a refresh button here, and when you tap on this, the new data will be published. So first of all, go back to our Firebase console here, and here I am trying to edit my image. So as I have said, when you are trying to change the image, you need to make a new publish, right? So you need to publish your application again. So here 230 is our current image and I am making it to 232, and also I am changing the dimensions, like I want this to be 300. The width and height changes here, and now we are trying to save the information, and here you can see it is asking for us to publish the changes. So you can discard them or you can just publish the changes, and we have published the changes now. So here you can see the message and get back to our application, and when you tap on this particular button, so here you can see our new image is now loaded and also the text here. So now let's try to alter the text here. So I'm just removing all this. This is a new text, and save this, publish the changes and come back and see the new changes here. So this is the new text, and here you can see the configuration status is success, and this is the time, current time, like here you can see 135 and here 135, 13 seconds, and when you try to refresh it, it's like 29 seconds now. So this is how quickly we can make use of the data from the remote configuration in our Flutter application.